2.
Get the screwdriver out. I'm gonna cover these wires. Go ahead.
Yeah, make sure just don't connect to that.
No, we're not gonna connect the wires.
We're not gonna connect to the coppers.
No, we're not. We've got to we got to cover them so they won't ever touch each other or anything else. So we're gonna do that here. I'll tell you what. You get the box and the camera, and I'll get this.
I'll get the cam.
Get the camera and this box. Or I'll get it.
I'll get the camera.
Do we have everything we need?
It might be.
Get your parts.
Parts?
Parts. For the.
Here's the magic trick.
That's why.
And that's the trick.
Yep.
So we're going to the back and turn the power on. Alright, we're back here. And we're gonna turn the main. Huh?
Might need to get the QR code again.
Okay.
But here, I'll wait and see. Just wait and see. Hold on. Doorbell.
I'm gonna just have to put this ADT back on its place.
Yeah, you can put it back in. You want the hammer?
Yeah, my
They took it out so they wouldn't smash it.
ADT's back. ADT signs back up. What are we gonna do with these?
We need
Those.
to put them back, I guess. I don't know where they.
It's hard to know.
We need to put them back in the ground where they go around. I don't know where they went.
I wish you could just take a picture where they go. Let me put these back on. Thanks for watching, guys, for watching us to how to install a doorbell camera battery. Google. So thanks for watching.